on for next year? What's gonna happen? What's Southern Fried gonna be next year?
Atlanta, Georgia.
What?
8th through the 11th.
What?
2011. Everybody's coming. We're really excited.
Oh, yeah.
You know, it's gonna be organized, and we're gonna show a good time to you.
Oh, yeah.
Come to Atlanta, wherever you're seeing this at. You know what I'm saying? We holding it down. Atlanta, Georgia. Black on Black Rhyme.
That's right. You got it from Paul D right there. One of the best in the business. Thank you, brother. Holla.